Lubricite 77 is really specialized for repairing and reconditioning original finishes. It can be used for refinishing and it's fine, but its unique compatibility amalgamates with all the finishes. So let's say you have, like the dresser that I'm going to show you, we just cleaned and revived the lower portion, even the top, but a lot of times the tops have to get refinished because they take such abuse. You can French polish method using the Lubricite 77 on the bottom to revive it and bring that finish back. And you're going to have the warts, the scars, you know, and the marring, but it's part of the charm. But you're not removing everything and kind of skinning it that it looks like a new piece, you know, that's refinished and it's not appropriate. That the refinish, the antique restoration, you know, industry is blamed for restoring so many antiques because we've stripped them and refinished them.